ndenda waile kamera ye ukethe mutegeri wa Meru TV mwire marito yaku kenda barabati ukumenya abakumenya na baramimbi bokumenya abakumenya nkuruki.
Thank you. Iboya sana mutegeri wa Meru TV. Marito yakambita wa Andrew Muthamia. Andrew Muthamia ni mwandiki wa mauku na advocate manto ya mental health. Na currently the minister kanisa ni Methodist.
Wow. Keke. Ukona nende barabati wichi bakumenye na barapa ukumenya bakumenye nkuruki nende unite wichi manto ya minister. Karibu sana. Bwana Yesu asifiwe.
Amen.
Ndarine nende tikiria twarire batu jegie mental health. Lakini mbere kinya tunda into our topic here we are in tell us apart from kwendera we minister, apart from kwendera we mental health advocate inspirations acha kwarire manto jegie mental health ku Andrew aumire nterire kumembia charire ku arire na athomerete nake at least tukiaraniria atwarire tukimenya karono gaku mwankaro kinyete wambire nende ekwarire manto jegie mental health na njira inene.
Okay. Iboya sana ndabambeta Andrew Muthamia kwa tuito wale akithewand Tigania West Meru County. Ndathomere chukuru ta Mweronkanga primary. After that ndakoroka ndaita St Luke's Boys Miathene. After that ndaita chukuru hita Pwani University Kilifi County. Indomerete manto ya theology na counseling.
Wow.
So far I thank God for this naranki nyithetie. Manto yako advocate mental health yanjiririe kinya onini ngoenda inkorokite manto ya mental health including depression. Tekorokite ke family ichomba muno. My baba kwa kuende kana kanini mono na tutia kinya in a very state in the mono na ndakura mwana ina thine nyinge muno na manto ya maingi. Eno history ndaya muno. But there's a time actually ndenda nyo ichora. There's a time nonto manto ya maingi. Na au inspiration yako ya advocate mental health yanjiririe. Na ndawa ote muntu ngaiba te kuichora nonto wa depression kana nonto wa mental health issues na ibo nto ndanjiririe kwandika ryukure. Healing from emotional wounds. Ndanjire tu kwandika story yakwa nkenda ku motivate muntu rata ku inkoro na ndanje kumeandika nonto after ko get knowledge ya counseling and all that. I ended up ndandika ryuku mwanka rekomba ko rena more than 100 pages. Ite antu abainge muno the uro yonde.
Thank you. Anabaga sana na nende tukiaririma tujege mental health. Erimwe ukugweta depression tudwana kia mental health in depression tukadhane mental health stress tukadhane mental health maybe trauma na mahantu ya mengi yana kinyume ya mental health kumba kutira ikiwatwa. Lakini at some point tutumba kutira tukielewa ni mbibio bitu gweta mental health. Endera mtu ariria kana gweta mental health ni mbibio ngomba kutira kiariria.
Okay. Antu baba ingi ba mental health kwethira uri utina akili njega. Any perception ya society. But mental health ni well-being yeku ya mathoganio na kinya mind. Ira uri na ability ya cope with the issues ya nthiguru na uti ku give up. Ino ita mental health. Nonto toteomba kuthiria mental health issues kire society.
Sure.
Iyo tuomba kuthiria katomba ku create awareness nikenda antu bomba kuona inya ya kumba kukopu nasio. Yes.
Now kuringana na we Andrew na nwithirite uri advocate kana ukiarire muno mantu ya yege mental health no kulukirite maybe kiri ekwithira uti state inje ya well-being yeku ya akiri. Why is it so important yantu bomba kwithira bakithomithwa na kumenyithwa mantu yege mental health?
Okay. Orinka wiro muno to akinya inya in a state where thirikari ikamba recognize mental health as a crisis. Nonto according to World Health Organization zirionania antum billion imwe nthiguru ibetha baina mental health issues. Ine konania ke group yanto mwanja omuntu omwe na mental health issues kana mental health disorders more depression, anxieties, stress and all that. Nande ankwenda kuya kwamba mental health is very important nonto ote muntu ate watu mental health issues. Ote muntu ate watu stress, ote muntu ate watu depression na manto yatha yange ya konia mental health issues. Nande muntu topati kuteki mental health issues as with the seriousness it concerns. Yes.
Nonto burundu bobo muno muntu kwari bantu yege mental health. For example, akenyoga kwithira uwe wikulukaira gantu ko chumbura na no kuibwa hapana siko sawa. Ni verero ndo bobo muno kumba kwithira ukiumira na kwa hili.
Yes. Kwa statistics chirona na kia kwamba ekoro kana antoaka ibo bakuru batongurete kimanto ya suicide thoughts kana mathugano ichiora lakini renge kona ni ya akoro ibo batongurete ke suicide cases
ekoro ibo bakuthanyo chiora lakini arume ibo bochiora
mporoki yes ikona ni ya kwamba there is something of gender ya kwamba ekoro by na ability ya cope with mental health issues nkoroki arume.
Oh wow
Ibunto mwekoro haita gundine ari akiana muchie aiwa sawa lakini mukoro ari nyumba kiara ari isolated atena mtu akwarie noe no trimana andre they end up killing themselves. Na andre one of the things that itoma muntu ateka omba ku share issues ya na antu bange is stigma yorite muno ke society iya kaba to twinge to era murungu like otrima muntu kinya kanisa ne chiongwa na to saf we are tongureti anto bai na ironda korone na otrima muntu nyari arwende na depression kana na mental health issue aliro wote kuromba utena oteteketie kirindu atena owe romba nkuruki ndelea kuromba muno lakini tomenye this is not a spiritual thing na andre anto aba kufia ku unjudged na auto stigma kere society yeah
now nende otweleria apart from uwe akwithira at some point no asafire depression irani a disorder ya mental health tungependa tujue what health inspired you na tunende uriamwa ukusafa depression ukuma out of depression na uamue tu sinilisha kwani mwanka wa sukumwa wambiria kwarire mantu jege mental health na kuthomethania mantu jege mental health imbibi ya kusukumire.
Okay. Kintu kiamparerite muno kirukure ikintu kitawa grief kana kukonelesi muntu ra umemi ura endete munakwa de lose my dad are kintu very difficult ku accept na after ku lose my dad eta kuria na my hand kuria na my hand and treatable bwe muno like kuritangu ichionde cha nyumba ko ura wana manto yonde manto iya nsukumena mangado makin depression na depression to menye manto ya mental health iya kosik nyame physical illness mwankandre kwa ati manto ya answers stress cha cause answers in my health mwankanda chokurumu ikiuna manto yange na andre there is a time nda kumind in depression nda kaweta chukuru then I started kuria na ula ikachokora and that is the time nda inyoicho kumaru ndaria Mombasa place called Changamwe ndenda ukumaru ene ndichura nonto bwa manto yo ya mental health kire nchukumire nikenda mbomba kora mental health kana depression ni andra ndaichimbelieve ya kwamba this is my life ino turobwa kwa na tena mtu ngiromba ontethia my dad is not there my mom is not able na this is my life kinyendera nkaichura otibu nkatetheka na ndenda amba ku develop kintu kitwa emotional resilience